so if we go back to our browser, I'm going to maximize the screen. What we're going to do is set a fixed width on this stacked hero section. So I'll inspect an element inside of it. I'll select the stacked hero section container, and now let's set some styles. So when the browser is this big, this section will have a width of 960 pixels. As you can see, that drops this down so that all 4 won't fit. So we'll need to adjust some of the padding between these sections. And what we also need to do is remove the padding to either side. So we can keep the top and bottom padding, but let's set the right and left to something a bit smaller. Let's set it to 20 pixels. Okay, so when we do that, our content aligns to the left. So what we need to do now is align this to the middle. And we can do that using our margin auto technique. So we'll take this element and we'll add margin left to auto and then margin right to auto as well. So now, as we make the browser smaller, everything centers. But then when we get down past the 960 point, or at least 960 plus the 20 pixels to the right and the 20 pixels to the left, then our content starts disappearing off to the side. So this would be the point at which we would add a breakpoint and set the width of this element so that it fills the screen but doesn't extend past it. So that would be by using something like 100% width.